Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Now, good morning, now good afternoon, now good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. My people, not be small begin, not be small matter for inside Matthias man. The Gogobiri master don't finally come outside, come vandalize all the presenter where it is fight for social media, not be smart in my people. Everybody come dey say where Gogobiri master, he not top for this matter where they go on for social media. But unfortunately, we just say Gogobiri master just appear. He say he use hand cover her ever since then. They look wetin dey happen, whether all this saga recording go stop. He say but as e no stop, now he can say make he come. Now he can say make he come talk put for inside the matter where they go on for social media. My people, how una see the matter? You understand? Okay, now I say make I bring and come outside. Say the husband to all single mothers don't finally show for social media. So make I give una the full gist about her. He say this recording of it, he made it stop. Saga made it stop. Make them respect me. Make them respect their husband where he dey for inside house. You understand? So my people, I beg, may we stop saga so that peace will reign. Now, Xmas time with this, so you understand. Not be everybody will start the Christmas. When you start this year with us, next day with us, I beg, may we throw away fight, may we embrace peace. Nice to make a let to now know my people. So I beg if you're just watching for the very first time, you are highly welcome. After watching, subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first to be notified. To my new subscriber, you are welcome. And to my returnees, may God bless you all for me in Jesus' name. Amen. So my people, now so we see the matter where it is for inside Matthias mouth. Okay, oh my country people, I no go too take for this video. I will just leave and make una watch the full video. But one thing where I no understand, why then they always they call women as she? You understand? That kind of thing is not good. Make men still they respect women. Make they know they call women as she again. You understand? No matter what happen, where two women can't use the body do for this obodo ibo, not be waiting man supposed to they remind them of. Even though say then they quarrel, it's not good. You understand? Make una watch this full video. Una go like some part, una no go dislike some part. I beg. So now I say okay, make I quickly just bring and come knock am for una table. So no be small matter, no be small gbege. I hope say after this talk wey Gogobiri master talk, peace go dey everywhere and people will learn from this and they will end difference between them and the differences between them and their friends and sisters, because the saga now don't turn to saga not be your mate, to sisters, to friends and to colleague. You understand? So I pray may peace reign among each and everybody. Okay guys, happy view. Bye.
Yeah, una good evening, everybody. Yes, well, I want yours talk. I want pass message to our women. We call themselves presenter, because all these women presenter, if I dey see wetin they do, then they bring shame to social media. Based on that fact, because the problem of this women presenter now because of all this ashawo wey not be work, because I dey shame for all these women for wetin else dey happen for social media. Today you go hear another one, tomorrow they'll come out with another one, next tomorrow they'll come out with another one, next tomorrow they'll come out with another one. The where una no dey shame women, all of una wey be presenter wey just dey fool themselves on social media sef. Una no dey shame. Agwalaluwa oa. Awi igbi agama we no ma be enegbe a. Oma no gbigbi agama eke no enegbe a. We be say na una today, tomorrow, every day, social media, every day. Una no dey shame. Tomorrow we will hear another record. Next month we will hear another one. Tomorrow we will hear another one. That's how this we may be. So depends. Even though they vandalize una, say all una they leak. Una go respect una self, keep una mouth. We be say today everyday problem for social media. Problem for social media. Kai! I shall not be work. Una, I bet me I put my car because all these women, they be real shower, make them fuck una. Because now why you put so, because enough of all this trash. Where be say, una every day we dey hear different story for social media. Every day we dey hear different nonsense for social media. I dey ask people where they follow now, women like una wey be responsible women. Because we know many women wey do this igbeaga, wey see responsible, come marry, settle. And una say una get ma. Una see many of them. Wey go bring they vandalize. Many of them, they'll come out for social media and say they be presenters. See all of them now. Then they put their say, good evening, Jose Mota. You look at these women. All their man, they pro these days. But now they fool una self. Una call una self friend. Una go this one. Una gotta go party. So now they make we to even go party, because they fear to go party because of una. But I go let the people understand what to say. I know una because una be a shower. Una no need to know because these women, if they respect themselves, they for not they mess up all this fight with their social media. Because if people don't know, maybe they know say una be a shower, una be promoter erosion. All of una wey just they swap for social media. So if they not fit tell una, I go tell una. Today, tomorrow, story, church, good evening. From one topic, we go hear another record. Tomorrow, we go hear another record. Next one, una know the shame. Eh? Now, this are shower one, are not supposed, una not be stop. That this example to show you can, una not be make up a good ass wife. You people cannot make up a good ass wife. Let me hear now, be a shower. Uno no make it not to don't be a shower. And a shower get great. Una be erosion one, poto. Where be say everyday problem on social media. Now no there's social media. Other tribe not there. Where be say all of una go be a door people want bring a door name down. I want let una know what to say. The Kokobili master, the husband to all single mother. A macha is always a macha. I'm watching you people. Why I'm watching you people? But I know I'm coming one day to disguagua every one of you on your stupidity. If you are not tell yourself, me I know I am coming. I am coming to tell you people all una mess up, una they mess up for social media. Today, una go this way, all of una go see all of una way go social media party. All of una way go there, una go become enemy. Emabule, abe ni owa, abe ne fiete, abu wero show we propoto. Una no risk when man supposed marry. If una rich as a responsible woman, una supposed keep quiet. You see all of them, but one way there UK, all of una, I say una be one. I shall not be work. Look at these women, every day story upon story for social media. Una just a fool una self. Una they bring shame to we, the handsome men, the better men. Because we men, we are king. We feel say una be queen. We don't know say some of una not be queen. Because of erosion, we full una body. We see better women. We will see women we be saying they not come for the world. They do and they good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. I bear you why don't follow. Small why una come out now come mess up. See that one, I play record. See the other one, his sister, the last one. See the other one, he play, they all they play record. Hey, Baba. When I they talk, see all of them like, Waro, I don't know why. These are the group of Waro. Panabata women squad. Ezaza women, Kokobiri women. For social media. Una behaviors, it just shameful. Una behavior na shame. All of una behavior na shame to me. I just look at this at the shame every day. Day and night at the shame. Make a cry for una. Make a cry for una. Even I don't want respect una side. Make a cry for una. Or make a yeye una. Una need to respect una self for social media. If una will be women, Where be say, una come out today with problem on social media. Una not get one thing we go educate our children where we born for here. Una not come out with one culture, advice, or women keep your two legs, men pay women bride price, men let's teach our kids how to read our language. But you people came up from saga to saga. I not blame una because una the type pampers. Uno no make it know. Most of our Nigerian women, they type pampers where they Europe because the too much of Akia is too much. Banana, say banana, give me the banana. Oh yeah, banana, banana. The banana where in town and never see rich. Banana, give me the banana, banana. So upon all the banana, no need to behave una scared. As soon as see macaroni for us. Una not behave una self. Una see they mess up. All these women for social media. What did they do now? Una need to go inside us. Even if they brag all these men presenter because they lick una pekus me, we don't know. I no. Which one be una own? Upon all the banana, una no see this. Okay, una say banana no reach. Oh yeah, give me the cassava. Cassava. Give me the cassava. Cassava. Kakobiri cassava. Kakobiri cassava. Una no dey shame. Just look una for social media every day. I no go fit open social media make I see better news. Apart from una bad news. Either una record this one, una play this one, una do this one, una do this one. Now don't dey this Europe. Now don't be presenter. Now don't be presenter. When una know say una dey leak, you know why I dey blame our main presenter. You know why they blame the main presenter. Now this our main presenter because of Ilalobo. Fine, if you give money, I'll take. Everybody need help. But I'll need help. I'm not going to tell you bad thing. I'll educate you because more you know say I tell you the truth. So I know say now truth. I'll tell you. But all of una just come out for una bad character, just to come out, they cause commotion, and all these are shower women. See they wash una, they share am. What you go wait pay me pass? Now they are shower women where see they share am. Oh, they say show me your friend and I will tell you who you are. Oh, because why? They know someone belong to one association, one group, one cassava group, one Esanza group, one Kokobiri group, one Waewa group, one Ashanti group. Because all of una na porous erosion product. Now una be for Europe. Una, I bet me I lost my door. Me I tell una sense today. Today, I want let una know. Say una belong to erosion product. Where BSK social media no get this. Because of all of una record today, record. Achabo wayayi. Kokobri masa. I can disgwagwa all of una one by one. Because I don't take silence since they watch una. Not me say I don't know what they do. Pikin wey put the hand here, he get wetin dey think. Pikin wey say, he come my but things dey the man. But today, as the eyes of the gods, he say make I tell una, make una change una ways. Because una be erosion. Una be erosion. Una not be Belgium. Una not be second hand. Belgium better pass second hand. Una not be Belgium. Una not be second hand. And una can't belong to the people where exempted. No, say exemption. Let's exempt this one. Put them here. Now una be pure. But now una can't reject that one. Una can't make myself porous automatically. Una can't taba. And when una taba, una can't be waste product. Because una be waste product, una they try and initiate a lot of women to join una group from coming out on social media. Look at una. Ashawo. All of una ashawo. All of una ashawo. No see una. Me I don't send. Me, if I want, I'll blast all of una. See all of una. Just a fool on social media. Eh? Now they get sense. I've been at this male presenter, the cause. And they watch all this male presenter. Don't you yourself that to tell una the truth. They're not going to tell una. See una, shameful people. Una fool una self on social media. You see una not the shame. It's too much for una. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Una need to change. Look at these women. You will see man put you for us. Praise the man. The man and God to you. And you see come up on social media. Una see they get mad anyhow. Eh? Una know the shame. Una know the shame. Everyday record. Today don't play this one record. Next month I play this one record. Eh? Good evening, choice. So if a child na so record una go play. Una know the shame. Now the shame. Eh? I shower women presenter. Now the shame. Because other people they fear to call now shower. Me I say I shower. Now na be. This una no want change. Wetin go make una change? I go tell una. Una they bring shame to we. Eh? Look at them. See them on social media. Eh? The one will be single mother. Those who are the one will say see husband married. Which one come good for the two? Eh? Where? Just tell me all these women. All these women. I see many presenters now. They're going to join what do they call? You know why they verse for people? We know they respect our culture. You know why? And they tell una. Una they bring shame to us. But you go bring master, I'll make sure say people know say una be water. I better tell una say I go make people where they be here. Don't know the respect una will be women presenter. Una don't know. Because of una where they mess up. Because I'll let them know say our why one una they open and wear for Kokobiri. Kokobiri. Una come out. And what he pay me for many of una? The one we never see Nigerian marry. So to happy see Kokobiri even manager supposed to keep it 2 legs. Una, you know, all of una man. Pro. Ije. I got the shame. No be ije le kute we ogbeti we de UK we de o. Ogbeti we de UK we de. Iyo kontoto Gwine for from 1 to 2. From 2, you'll be like the godmother of destroyer. So I want all of una, make una go inside and hide una self. Una they bring shame to us. Excuse me. So una where be these women? Today, I pass count to all of una. Una need to change. Una need to change. Una need to change. Look at all of una. And the main presenter now see blame. And I've come thank one God for one thing, say, all the enemy, when they see, say they support evil. A lot of them, they shook my hand, come out, now where they Johnny Jore, they see una. Una where they Johnny Jore for inside. One that knows that Jore never even come and come apologize. And I see even male presenter, many don't support each other for evil. My dear people, brothers and sisters, we should tell people, say, what you do wrong, come and apologize to the world. To the ancestor. God this one to be the, una not do una the sponsor. And I know so na be evil. I'll make kiene. Okay, I can't see many of una, both men and women, say many na Oriental. Orion talk. I don't know. I don't know. But I gotta see many things. My brother, my sister, I don't go because of money. Go eat from my enemy house. Oh, I'm according to Dr. Sunshine. Oh, I'm no better me agu wose. Aguano. Why you ba? I'm a fido ede. Ara fi gbe yodun. O to na de yi. Eva ko aro. Many of you, because of food, una mess up. I said because I want to my remembrance. Nah. Because I say, hey, everybody's, Mona, give me job, you love me here though. So because of that, who beat my papa, I come follow and make friend. Go to meet and say, I want to my remembrance, support me. No. Is it possible? Now me say I want to my remembrance. Who love me go support me? Who wants support you here though? Skill here though? I love you for your truth. He can never say because of the man, may I meet enemies. Second, support me. Tufia Kuala. Show your coat according to your size. I do my things my own way. But those who God has assigned to say, dash you here, don't touch or something, will dash me. I cannot support una will be evil. Enemy. I see many presenters. I shame for now. I see many presenters. I shame for now. I see many presenters. I shame for now. Listen, let me tell you what you don't understand. I thought it is better to eat chicken and live long than to die with cow. Because you feel like you want to eat cow and you will not die premature death. I want you to understand one thing. That we should leave a good legacy down and walk uprightly, and lay a good foundation and preach a good news to the people and give awareness. Our presenters, all of them, they mess up on social media because of money. Because of monetization, because of YouTube, they mess up. Bruno, if I shout, if I take public platform, now my platform, now your platform, maybe you dey use fake account, now you dey talk. Today, I don't want to swear for you, because now Gumi they swear, but today, I don't want to swear for you. Because if I say me, Oku kill you now, and Oku go kill you. Now your platform, now your Facebook, I tell they shout. But I scared, I don't want to swear for you. I don't want to swear for you. Because I don't let us lay course now today. If I'm led, I will lay the course very soon. So wash your tongue before I will be led. Then when I be led, I will sue open for you. But I'm not for you, I'm for the presenter. Both the male and the female presenter. Who has lived a bad life. Okay? I am here to pass this warning to all una will be presenter. I see many of una now. I see many of una say, una be mumu. I see many of una say, una be mumu. Una see all of una. The male presenter, the female presenter, see all of them. Now the men of social media, see the women. Ashawo, see all of una. I not remove una way else a mess up on social media say they bring una play record. All of una now say una be ashawo, I not remove one. Make una hear me. Una way just come and so every day fighting, quarrel, this thing, una play this one record, una play all of una eat together, una do this one all of una na ashawo. And una not be only ashawo, una be wetin they call abandon project, taba women. Women wey don taba erosion. Because una know say una body no good again, potapoto. Women wey don put kaka bro, una come to the mess on social media. Una no go happy say one man there with una dey blow now. Una no go happy say one man there with una. Just look at these women, the responsible women. Wey no begin to even do the work. They do at the enter house, they stick with their husband. They only hear their mouth, they mess up anyhow, they talk nonsense, they play record every day, night. But una own, now from today, tomorrow, every day. And they ask una, happy Sunday, Josiah. So all of una will be a shower so. I want to let you understand one thing. I can't deliver this message to now. Say, who they cry, they see road. Who kiwa bumbe woman, awa obege. So, that is why they misbehave on social media. Now, because I they blame people when they watch down, make it they go look at that, make that now, una gamma for so you're not supposed to add to myself. Women were supposed to add their strength. And I'm about to they promote. But bad thing. We don't see sweetness for inside. Now I'm going to talk for you. When we say one person need to chop better thing for woman body, we know they see better thing now. What if una problem? No shut up on social media. Una not gonna shut up. Yeah, put una from one trouble to everyday problem, everyday record. Una you must play record. Una must play record. Una must play record. Fear no let person talk to person again. To even call person go dey fear. To even toast babe now. I want toast babe. I will see the fear. Make the babe no record me. Me, I'm not ashamed. Even though you be baby, I toast you, record me now, you know. And not me start to the toast. I go toast. If I see babe, wait, say I want toast, I want color B, I go toast. If na find I not be a quarrel, I not be toast when I will be a quarrel, won't be erosion. Won't I be put about I'll toast the one where I know say I'll chop, it go to sweet me. Now be piercing like una. What if you now? Every day recording. They don't let me even there. I just see baby. Which can't be this now? Person not be call again. You're the fear to record. If you see what you love, may I be love this baby. May I don't now so record. I want to tell you now so, make una stop this recording, All of now when they record this recording, enough about this thing. Person not be talk, you the fear. Tomorrow they not bring your record come out. In short, me I not the fear, me I be Kokobiri master. If you call me, record me, and me I not the fear. And if you record me, I not tell you say record me player, I'll give you a juju. Now I'll take buy you. Now if I say record me player now, if I must use you must buy you. You not be perform. Now small thing I'll tell you the juju. Small thing. Not the one when I got the juju say big. No, better juju where they buy your juice. You get small thing where you just do a back go do and go knock am. Go do better place, do the thing, go knock am. All of now, so record. Person not be live private life again. Person want to so not be live so record the record. And una where they record so, una body, I shame for now. Not today on our body again. I shall presenters. I don't come give una this morning. This morning when I tell una so, una need to change. Make una change, Make una change. Make una change, oh. To call person go dey fear. To even call all of the record. Make una change that level. All these people are not change. If I come this coming out again, that of this this one, I go give you another name. Because I know now, Russian women, not challenge me, but a bunch of women. Akbo, we call to kwele. So all of una, there's also record. Sit there. Now not a shame. All these presenters will make una haters. Make una haters, so. Oh, make una haters. I want make una haters. And also I want make sure this male presenter will see better to will not tell the women. Will not be better men. You cannot make up a good husband. A responsible man need to be a head. If he see where those men they make me, they tell them say, this track is a wrong track. Don't follow this track. So that the women will change. But our men, because of money where woman give, they not tell the woman the truth. Automatically, you are a bad, you cannot make up a leader. A good leader must click, not be to record. Tell them, you see now, and they see many men now, all of them now, wait, tell Ijore Bala they praise Ijore never apologize to our great kingdom. Ijore never go Benin go talk. On our men, they promote. I see when they put job pressure for all the presenters. Down. Baba Gume Fidon, Baba Gume Yera down, Baba Gume Sungu, Egebo Gbeme, Baba Mula Wowo, Nugyo wa Mudame o, Nugyo Tornado Mudame, Egume Gia Benika o, Egume Gia Bidun, Egume Gia Potato. All of una will be presenter. Waya. Where they mess up, wanna see chula not talking. Otade, no boya wawaya. Otade, no boya wawaya. Because una see bad thing, all of na they support her. Una see bad thing, all of na they support her. The best way do bad, now na they sponsor. Today, I shame. For presenters, I shame. I say, where are we going to? Where are we heading to? But let me tell you, I better die in truth than to die telling lies. It's better for me to stand in truth. If I am the only one left alone, standing in truth, and all of them stand in one side as liars, let them become liars. But I will stand for truth. But at the end, the ancestor will guide me. At the end, the God Almighty will bless me. But I want you all to understand what you are doing as a presenter. You have all brought shame to our great kingdom, and the shame be upon your families. Not our kingdom, your family. You brought shame to your family. You brought shame to your generation, where you came from. You are letting the world know that the family you came from are not responsible family. Let me tell you, you can make your family proud. Your doing will make your family proud. Your attitude will make your family proud. The way you do will make your family proud. But your attitude can make your family clean, and we can bring shame to your family. But a lot of you have brought shame to where you came from. So you see anybody will say, make me leave all their matter, and I put all of them. Who they say me I leave her? Domino Kilo. You join this association where you say, make I leave Ijore matter. All their matter now they put together. I not remove one. I am the eyes of the gods. I stand for truth. My platform is for truth, for justice. Ijore, and he never stand, he never come for the thing we do. Ijore has done a lot of atrocity, which is still there, my boss. Where they watch for the boss, they look at. Say that boss, now boss where Ijore commit atrocity. So, when they follow, they support evil. Now so the ancestor go jam all of una one day. Una don't know. I told the truth. Jesus died at the age of 33 years. Now me don't they go 50 years. If I die and saying the truth, I'm very proud. So now I have. So what are you saying? I want to let you understand one thing. Say all of una where they support evil, they sponsor, they promote evil people. Me, I know they promote evil people. No. Make I tell you that one thing. Una they say Ijore. When Ijore they swear for children, where una dey? And ask una, when Ijore they talk bad word to our Benin kingdom, where una dey? When I let me paranoid though. If I paranoid now, this me social media go change all up now. No. What did they do now? Where una dey? All of now they share am. And 1 million women are when they send out for me before. Say when I scared that thing for me, I'll swear for now. The one where I'll tell them. Even though we know, say, Ijore know they mess up again now. You know they mess up again now. We know so they mess up, but he never do the normal thing. May go apologize to the great kingdom. Ijore don't do many evil. He never come apologize. You go apologize to the kingdom forgive her. You go apologize to me for nonsense where you talk. What do they talk? Happy Sunday, Vicky per diamond. So I want let you understand one thing. Una where they talk. When person will plan evil against your pikin, I want to ask you, una where they here. Who plan evil against your pikin? How you tell look that way, you will forgive that person. Unless Jesus enter your mind, say forgive. Person plan evil against your pikin, you go forgive that person. I want to ask una. Una just they talk. People just say anybody. Now because say you now my daughter, where you talk there, you can't say you. If now that person told us I for just give her a goon, bobo. I for give her a goon. I'll give her a goon. So person go plan evil you. Una know what you want to talk. Make una wash una tongue go. Make una wash una tongue. Ijore do evil. Ijore do evil. Okay? All of them, all the presenter. I told all the women presenter. Good evening, Princess Omoruji. So what they tell me so? All of them when they do bad, we want make them know. All these female presenters will come up on social media so when else they talk, then they play record. You know, come. All of them when they record. When they record person, they play every day. I want to let them know. That record when they play for social media every day, una be all of una equal of women. Una will be women presenter. I tell you that today, until una deviate, una change for all this evil way. Today record, tomorrow record, una not get change. Now they change. Look at the women presenter, they brought shame. They don't get to say this one. Now so I say this one. Now so I hear this one. I got the shame. See all the women for social media, all of them just turn to, you'll be like, they all turn to vampire. Una no come and mama call they educate us. Una no come out as say una to saga every day to the bring una no dey shame. And all of una say una join one group una scatter. Why una come dey mess up? And devil just dey mix up una where they cause this problem. I don't know. Maybe I know they call live video presenter. They're not good. Oh no, see, they use a record. How can a live presenter tell you say your phone dey recording? Why my phone not dey recording? Like people, don't download recording for phone. Don't if you call your record you. All of the way I don't call, all of them get my recording. They know. Because if you call them, they record you. Anywhere where you call, all of them get your me know they now. Why me not download recording for my phone? If I not be evil people. Why I not download recording for my phone? Where what people? Where una be? Una say na phone. Which recording? Why my phone not get recording? Una download them touch the app. Even the corner record down. E yo go ya gbelu wa ya papa. Because my evil agenda una get. So all these women presenter, it is time all of them go inside house. Because I know they see good thing when they talk. Now problem for social media. And the men wey suppose advise una, they not be advise una. Huh? Thank you, Queen. I see better talk there. May I wait to be the name again? Queen, he say pardon young every day. Queen something, I don't see the name again. Queen coded God's power. So, my sister, I need to lose sweet. So, I need to, you understand? So, every day recording. Make gonna stop recording. You go call Percy. You go to record you. Why not take my own? Why recording not take my phone? If not be evil again. I need to look sweet. Now maybe you see this social media now. Women wey see say na erosion. Fear not let her give me do. The one wey no say body fresh. Wey no say if I go indoor, I know say I'll chop good momo. And you know say thing not be erosion. And those one fit give me. But many of the fear let they give me because they know say if we here don't enter, if you plug in, go plug out. Once immediately I plug in, I see and say that I promote erosion. They know now make women, they fear me. They give other presenter the bro, they not fit give me because they fear me. This man will be where they say erosion. So if they not they give me now, let one way no say body good. Now go say we are the cocoa massa. Me I sweet now. You feel which one? That be the one where if I just laugh, I just see all the women. Because they know say that better food that they chop. All they chop it water, all they chop erosion women. If you know say So nevertheless, my message now be for all these women. Else I know I hear na condom use condom because you not go use normal cassava. Make all these erosion women carry belly for you. Now lie you go spread for social media. They'll say erosion product. Don't carry belly for a weird though. Wait till I go talk. I don't fit talk. Don't use and wire me for social media. No be erosion woman. Cause now you go give belly for outside. No, and I make at the time. That is why condom is so safe. Me, I be man with the whole condom. 24-hour condom day with me. Condom your day. Condom day. I know the. It's good to prevent yourself. See, it just there everywhere. Me not the. And they let you know. Prevent yourself. It's good member they prevent yourself. It's good member just they prevent yourself with condom. Me, I married man see they prevent yourself the hide condom. Married man they hide condom because why? When you don't need to go for victim of a woman. So you go do without condom, go carry carry sickness, go carry erosion woman. That is why it's good for a man. Prevent yourself. Prevention is better than sacrifice. Different sickness day. Kissing sickness is day. Breast, women where they put man for breast. Many sickness they where they follow breast. So we need to prevent ourselves. So only woman, my dear, women wey I call ashawo, now women wey no responsible wey dey social media. And women wey dey social media wey no responsible. Women wey dey cause chaos for social media. So you like as they put themselves on social media. Talia Paris. I want to ask you, Abi, you are one of these Zaza women, or do you belong to Erosion Product? Do you belong to Cooperative Association? Or do you belong to Zaza women? Or are you trying to tell me that you are porous? Or you are Erosion Product, you are a Tapa woman? Maybe you are a Tapa woman and you are being vandalized. That is why you are telling me that, as I'm saying, when I'm advising our women to live a good life, that what the life they are living is a bad life. What are they teaching our kids? What are they teaching? A lot of us give birth to daughters, give birth to sons. What legacy are they laying down? These children will grow up to watch this and see the news as our mothers, our beautiful wife, our beautiful husband have performed on social media. Is that what you want? So make una change. I don't advise you now. A man need to be careful because of the way erosion full everywhere. Should be careful. Prevent yourself. Don't fall a victim of circumstances. Okay? So make una you know. So make una know. So all these women, they don't get better thing to teach. You'll see all them. You'll see them come on social media, they mess up. As I be so, I all day. I can't let my wife can't mess up like this. You can't mess up social media. I'm not gonna agree now. I'm not gonna agree. Today go play, tomorrow fight, every day fight, all of them. Yours a fight, every day fighting. So you like as they fight, so they put themselves a record. And Talia, so it is wrong. Today, I don't pass this advice to all women. We should live a good legacy and we should live a good life. And our men, please, before getting married to any woman based in Europe, watch that woman carefully. If she belongs to a Zaza or Kokobiri association, because we have good meeting, good women meeting, which you are supposed to belong to. We have good association meeting, good meetings. There are beautiful meetings of women you can join, but you are not supposed to join a Zaza women meeting or Kokobiri association. There are meetings. I promote meetings, good meetings that I see women meeting. I promote. That no, the women, they are decent and responsible women. The women, they are people that I can count on, that I promote them. But I cannot promote any woman that I know the meetings for a Zaza or Kokobiri association. I will not. I need to teach them and pass that word, a good advice, what will give joy to you and give joy to me. That is what I will do. Okay? Okay, all these women should stop and live a good life. I have been indoor watching you people, but enough. That is why I pass out this information for you to live a good life. Never forget, I remain the Kokobiri master, the only husband to all single mother worldwide. Uyodo talk show that single mother must marry a fair bride. I'm the only man, the only husband to all single mother worldwide. I'm the man. I remain the man. I stand to promote our culture. I stand to educate and pass awareness to our people so that they will not be deformed. Because when you are not informed, you will be deformed. For you not to be deformed, that is why I'm here to pass awareness, to educate you on things that are useful, to pass useful information to you. I will remain your loyal son, your husband, your daddy, and your friend. So never, don't forget, I've been celebrating my mom remembrance. Happy Sunday, Gladys. Is here. I've been celebrating. So I will be celebrating my mother remembrance. I'll be celebrating my mother's remembrance. January 16 is going to be my own mother 40-year remembrance. Come or come one. I'm inviting every one of you. Come, those of you who are in Nigeria, I invite you to my mom remembrance. I invite you all. Come, if you are in Nigeria, come and celebrate with me. I am the only husband to a single mother. It's time for you to celebrate with me because it's long. 40 years is not a joke. It's not a shy play. But I want to remember my mother. 40 years remembrance of my great mother. May her soul rest in peace. May she continue to rest there because the son want to remember her. That is one of a good mother. So if you want to be a good mother so that your kids will keep on remembering you, behave well, act well. They say women are own builder. So behave like an own builder. Yes, I'm the Kokobri master. If you know, say you want to spray me, you want to spray me for phone, spray me for phone. If you want to spray me through my YouTube, spray me. If you want to say, we don't talk show, I want to dash you this thing. For your mama remembrance, dash me. If you want dash me, cow, dash me. I know, say, many know answer because say, I know they join una for bad. And you know, if you don't dash me, I not join you for bad. Those who are good, way go dash me something, dash me. Because it's okay. So I do. So if you know, say you go dash me, I will see take. So you say, blessed is the hand that giveth from the one that taketh. So those of you want to bless me during my mom remembrance, bless me. It's 40 years remembrance. It's not easy. So I want to celebrate it. It's 40 years mom remembrance, January 16. Tyler Perry, he said, I shower money. I don't go give you. Don't give me. Tyler, don't give me. I don't better talk her. He said, she said, I shower money. You don't give me. Don't give me. I don't better talk her. Say, those way I don't support. Wait, no say they do evil. Say I don't support her. Don't give me. Those way good. Wait, no say love me. Spray me. Give me. If you know you can help. If you want to spray me, spray me. He said, I shower money. No, give me your because no problem. Carry your own go. Those way go spray me. Where go dark me something. If you know you want to download something for me, download. Those of you that have my account, download for me. Download something for me because it is 40 years. Remember, it's not easy. For mama dad and the old children see they come be say only me come be the only boy where they inside. And the only boy now come be the husband to all single mother. One be say now, yes, one celebrating mama. He said, Rikala Ben, say your wallet not be here. So today, I want to celebrate my mother remembrance. Remember, 40 years remembrance, January 16 is the date. So those of you who happen to be in Nigeria, December, I want you all to be with me on my mom remembrance. Thank you, Tyler's parents, for saying happy anniversary. Oh God, thank you very much. So I want to do it. I want those of you you be in Nigeria as my friends, my followers, that have been part and parts of Weirdo Talk Show program. And you are one of those I used to call husband to a single mother. During my program, I have contributed a lot in people's life positively. I have made a lot of women to remain with their husband. I have made a lot of men to pay their wife bride price. I have made a lot of men to respect women. I have made a lot of women to know the respect given to a man. I have made a lot of men to stop. They should go and look for work, not to depend on their woman. A man need to be the head and carry out his responsibility while the woman need to support. There must time you don't need something. The help of a woman, the woman is there to assist you to carry you up. That's a settling time so that you wouldn't go down with that prayer and what otherwise. So that is why I have contributed well. So please, do not forget on that day, January 16, the poster is on my wall there, on my page. January 16 is my lovely mother remembrance. Let me also say a month from now, because we are entering December on Wednesday. So definitely by December, I'm going to be in Nigeria. So I'm going to be in Nigeria by December. So those of you who are willing to support Weirdo Talk Show, to say Weirdo Talk Show, I give you this one. Weirdo Talk Show, I give you this one. Weirdo Talk Show, I give me, I go take. And as you give me, God will bless you. Not to say because say I don't support evil, say no give me. But you know me. But God go see me where people want to do something. God knows say he don't prepare a way for me when I take to me mama. They happy say the son remember that. after 40 years, the only boy. So mama was a good mother, 4 girls, 1 boy. So out of 4 girls, so people say I thought when I came in the midst of women, we are 5 in number, 4 girls and 1 boy. I happen to be the only boy, the only son. So why would I not respect women? I love women because I have sisters, 4 girls, 1 boy. I'm the only boy. Why would I love women? I love women. I respect women. But I'm trying to educate you people to live a good life. What? Because I will be proud of you people. The way I'm proud of my mother today. That is what I want all men to be proud of you. That is why I'm preaching good tidings for you to live a good life so that women will respect and love you. We have to love because you are our African queen. But when you are not living a bad life, we don't call you African queen. We will not be calling you for erosion, polopoto, taba. That is why for you not to be called erosion product, live a good life, we will call you the African queen because they say women are home builder. But a lot of women don't know that they are home builder. That is why I do tell people all women are mother, but not all women can make up a good housewife. But a housewife will stand to elevate the man by prayer or otherwise. A man is to go out, fish, look for daily bread, bring it for the family so that he will live a good life. Your wife will be, so you know, when they say women are service, women can do something, praying day and night. When a woman is praying for you, we excel in life. But when she's laying curse on you, your wife laying curse, you will not excel. That is why it is good sometimes you make your wife happy, give her joy, give her happiness, make her to smile. When she's smiling, she's happy, she pray. When you are going out, going to work, she pray. You are there working, but she'll be praying, God, let my husband go in peace and come back in peace. That is a good woman. A good woman will always pray for the husband. So as a man, you need to give smile. Put smile into the lips of your wife. Play with her, joke with her. There are a lot of things women desire from men. No, women, we do say they are proud. When a woman is angry, you allow her to speak whatever is in her mind. When you refuse, you stop her from saying what is in her mind, automatically they see grievance. That is why we all let talk. Immediately she finish, you will not know where you are wrong. Say, sweetheart, honey, I'm wrong. I'm sorry for this one. That is it. Sometimes, even though you are not wrong, you just want to make your woman happy. You say, okay, baby, sorry, better. There are little things you do that make a woman happy. So that is it. So, you understand? So, I just tell you people, for you to... Okay, your father remember now the 15th of January. Okay. That's when I come for you. Papa, remember I saw the 15th. Okay, your own are 15. My own are 16. Thank you very much. God bless everybody. So make una see come me, oh. Oh, Sage, I guess with man. I love all of una. God bless you now. And remember, the Kokopuni master, husband to Oscar. Please, women, let's live a good life. Let's lay a good legacy down so that our dinner will smile. God bless you all. I love you. I remember the husband to us single mother, Uyedo Tosho. Thank you, Tyra Paris, for giving me love and like now. After you don't yawa me. Thank you very much. God bless you. And God bless every one of you. God bless the sharer. God bless the contributor. God bless every one of you that have contributed one way or the other. May God bless you. So thank you. I can say you see day Nigeria on the 15th, on the 5th. Number I'll do on the 16th. January 16. But I will be saying it December. I'll be saying it even January. I will still be saying it. Those of you there can be with me. Come and be with me. Bye. Thank you, Tyra Paris. Come and be with me as you do. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. I remain a very bright Uyedo Talk Show. The talking and do. The truthful man on social media. Love you all. Bye. Ciao.